You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. This is the name of a dinosaur. Let's learn how to pronounce it. If you want to learn more dinosaur names that are confusing, stay tuned. The British English pronunciation here is as Velociraptor. 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 The American English pronunciation is as Velociraptor. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.